53, G53. Up next, 74, 74. $74, 074. Up next, 54, 54. $54, G54. Up next, 27, 27.
Look what I need. Bingo, bingo.
Where?
13. 13
Possible
gold.
bingo in the back.
Wait, do you have
Please hold your
54 or 27? No, I have 54 right there. 20, not 27? Oh my god, yes. Right here, the sleeper right here. No, I just woke her up. I just woke her up. Oh my Jesus.
It's your birthday, bitch. Oh my god. Okay, we have oddballs.
Hey
ending in
guys.
5119.
I don't know. I'm sorry. Look what I need.
Classic strip ending in 511.
And then we're gonna let this go. And then we're gonna let this go. We can't talk about it.
And that's when you call bingo.
Yay!
I'm fucking shaking.
Going once.
We're never letting
Thank
this
you,
go.
y'all.
Oh,
She'll
never
never
hear the end of
Pick
it.
that up real quick. 'Cause
Imagine. I don't know what I did. I don't know. It's the. I don't know. Here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Literally, I was watching that. I don't know.
Back it up, it's your birthday, bitch.
I don't know what the hell I did. Wow, my payout is so good.
oh my god.
Bitch.
No, I am.
Sweepy slot, sweepy slot, sweepy slot, sweepy slot, sweepy slots.
I got it.
3, 4, 5,
Oh my god.
56,
Not you guys.
I know.
Don't.
87, 60, 88, 89, 20, 40, 60, 81,000.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow.
Your first good ball, 17, I-17. Up next, 74, 74. Thank you to the
Hey, I
last
would
winner.
have had 27 in the
How did you see that from all over there?
I would have had 27 in the pattern. I'm like, hey, look what I need. I need 531.
74, 074. Up next, 39, 39.
Don't be hard on yourself.
39 and 39. Up next, 12.
Good call,
1,
sister.
2.
GG, the awkward silence.
12, D12. Up next, 68.
I can't wait to rewatch that.
68.
I literally don't know what I was doing. I'm so